Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a YouTube banner in Canva. So here I've already opened the Canva website, canva.com, and here you can create the banner from scratch by clicking on this create a design, or you can also just use a template on Canva. So here I'm going to find YouTube banner. Okay, you can see this is the YouTube banner. Click on the category, and after that you'll find YouTube channel or templates on Canva that you can use. So you can just choose which one that is suitable with your channel. For example, here I'm going to choose one. Okay, I'm going to just choose the one at the top. This one's right here. Click on the templates and click on customize this template. So just wait until the YouTube banner template is opened. I'm going to close this first. Okay, so now it has been open here. I'm going to zoom in. Here you can just change the uh, text. For example, here I'm going to just tutorial. Okay, for example, like that. Here you can change it in with your names, your channel's name. Okay, I'm going to just new video every day because I upload every day. And here I'm going to change the theme. Let's find the blue. I'm going to use a blue color and use a design. Okay, I'm going to use, for example, this colors right here. Oops. Okay, click on the three dots icon, and here I'm going to apply the colors. Okay, just like that. Now the banner has been created. You can just click on share and download it, and after that you can set it on your YouTube channel. For example, like here on my channel, you can just open your channels in here and change the banner with the one that you created the on Canva apps. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.